Welcome to the HTML and CSS tutorial series, and if you haven't seen my previous tutorial, I will recommend you to watch them, and after that watch this video. In this video we'll learn about button and undecorated list. So let's make a new file under this folder of basic HTML and CSS. Let's make a new file. You can right click on it and create a new file. I am going to name it list and button .html. Don't forget about a .html. From previous video, just copy this text, paste it here, cut all of them, just keep the body and head tag. Okay, inside head just write a title, inside title list and button. How can we make a clickable list? Remember, we are not adding any function to the button, we are just making the button. For to make a button, we need to just write button and tab. This is our button tag. Inside the ending and beginning tag, we need to write like click me or click. Okay, now go to the folder wherever we made this file, the file of basic HTML list and button. Okay, see, this is a button click. This is clickable. If you add any function, like you can see any website, for example, inside YouTube you have a button of subscribe. You can click on it, and that is the example of button. We can design like subscribe or anything button. We'll see how to design in later videos when we make videos on CSS. Just stay tuned. In future video I'll make video about CSS in this tutorial series. This is a HTML and CSS tutorial series, and in this playlist I will teach you about almost everything you need to know for become a professional. Okay, this is button, and let's make a list. To make a list, it is not necessary to make a list in below or above. You can make it below or above or wherever you want. To make a undecorated list, unordered list, you just write ul enter list item. For list item, just write li tab home this is list item, and this is undecorated list, unordered list. Okay, reload the page, see the result. This is our list. If I write ordered list, for that you just need to write ul. In the place of ul you just need to write ol, that is ordered list. Okay, save and reload the page. You can see this is ordered list 1 2 3 4. Okay, on unordered list and make it on ordered list. UL and UL. When your code will be longer and bigger, you just need to keep the indentation of your line. That will look perfect when you see a big project. When you get a big project, it will be more understandable to you and help you. Okay, thank you. That's all for this video. And I'm welcoming you to watch my next video to learn HTML and CSS basic, and thank you.